How to add payment method on Google Play. Adding payment methods in Google Play is essential to purchase apps, game subscriptions, and other digital content hassle-free, making it easy to access and enjoy a wide range of digital offerings on your Android device. So I'm just going to open my Play Store right here, and then I'm going to open my profile icon in the top right corner. You should be able to see there payments and subscriptions. Tap on that. We're going to tap payment methods. Alright, here. So as you can see, there is already a payment method there. That is the Gcash. I've already added it a long time ago. Now I'm going to try to add something else. To do that, you have here options. I have 4. You can add a credit or a debit card, PayPal, Gcash, or PayMaya. So say for example, we're going to try to add a debit card. So I'm just going to tap the first option. And then here, you shouldn't be able to see this recorded in the screen. So what I did is actually just use another camera in order for me to capture this one. So you can just type there the following information and you can just hit continue in order for you to start adding a card. Now, if you're going to try to use other payment methods, say for example, PayPal, I'm just going to click that one. There you go. So I can just basically start adding the information, the email address, the phone number, and then click allow. And then you will be redirected to your PayPal app in order for you to confirm this one. And yes, once you've done that, you should be able to add your payment method. Congratulations, everybody. That is how you're going to add payment method on Google Play.